We stand now at the precipice. Our great nation once more threatens to crumble, to topple into the sea of lawlessness and despair that have ruled us all for over 200 years. In short, my dearest America, we are at war. Even as I speak these words, fearless Enclave soldiers are fortifying their positions at the great water purifier, bracing for an inevitable assault. The Brotherhood of Steel, in their arrogance, has claimed Project Purity as their own. They would steal the Enclave's work, steal America's water. Only a matter of time before the traitors march on the purifier and attempt to take it by force. Let them come. Wave upon traitorous wave will crash against the Enclave's walls. Brotherhood of Steel will fail. All those who oppose the Enclave will fail. I am President John Henry Eden, and this is my pledge. No one will take this great nation away from me. God bless the Enclave. God bless America.
انفجار مستودعات ذخيرة هائلة جدا بحمص مقر الشبيحة 1/8/2013 تكبير الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر ما شاء الله الله أكبر صواريخ عم تطلع لحالها حمص العديد الله أكبر انفجارات للذخيرة مستودعات كبيرة وهائلة انفجار